So today I wanted to talk a little bit more about the settings that I use for nighttime videography. I just realized that the video that I put out the other day was just really quick clips of video, and so you couldn't really tell how good the quality was. Was it grainy? There was even a LUT on there, so you really can't tell whether the settings worked well or not. I have a lot of great clips that I didn't end up using in that video and slowed it down to 10% so you can see how well the clarity is in each of the shots that I took. I think one of the most important things when you're shooting in nighttime is getting a lens that could go down all the way to 1.8 f-stop, because that's key in getting number one bokeh, which I love obviously, and just getting really clean, crisp shots. So all the lenses that I have are prime lenses. I have the 16mm, the 55mm, and the 85mm. They're all f1.8, and so it's not too difficult for me to shoot nighttime in the first place. But what I used this time was the PP2. A lot of people have so many different settings. I think Henbu, my buddy, put out a video with that, used his settings. I'm sure Jason Bong has one. Everyone has one, so I thought I'd try this one out. That's in the link below. I'm sorry, the link is in the description below. Another really key thing to use on the A7 III is, instead of using the SNQ mode, which I used the last time, and shoot 120 frames per second, simply just go into your settings, shoot 1080p, go 120 frames per second, and then go 100 megabits per second. That's gonna give you the maximum quality, and it'll still allow you to do slow motion. If you look at this footage, it's all in 10%. I put on optical flow, and honestly, I don't think there's any frame skipping. I think it looks really smooth. So SNQ is awesome, you just don't get any sound. It's probably better for you if you want to do the least amount of editing, but honestly it's not that hard to actually edit in post if you just shoot 120 frames per second and 100 megabits per second. I really think that was the best move. So let's just jump right into some of the sample footage, and feel free to skip around and look at the different footage that I took. Cool.